outdoor play is a huge piece of what happens in the lower school. It looks a little different at each age. For our Explorer kids, they are outside pretty much from 8:45 until 11:30 every day, exploring the woods. And then as the kids get older, they spend time outside too. Outside time is a really big piece of what happens at Columbus Academy.
So much that we have seen is us modeling not having the fear, like going up and explaining like, oh, this is an insect you can touch. It's not going to harm you. Or, ooh, we're just going to use our owl eyes and give it some space. I love hearing from those parents the most at the end of the year when they were like, we weren't totally sure about the outdoor piece, but we have seen our child grow in their confidence, and we know that it's because of the outdoor piece.